So those two herbs are pretty different, but they are for the eczema for the baby. So this is just for taking. So how do you take it? How the baby take it? You take, I'll give you a yellow teaspoon, and you only take quarter of the yellow teaspoon, and then resolve that powder with warm water, and the warm water will be 3 to 4 ml. Just a little water, and resolve it. And you go to pharmacy to get the drop thing. So start with three drops first for the first 2 days, and see how it resolves. If the baby can accept it, no problem. You can take more, and each time it can up to 4. Like put all the water all in 4 ml. Okay, just 4 ml each time. Okay, and then you do it 3 times daily. That's for taking.
Yeah.
Okay. Another way again, if we want mommy take it and for breast milk to give to the baby, the amount will be higher. Okay. But if you want that one, you let me know. I'll give you some more herbs. Okay. If the baby can't take it, you know, if anything that have you just reject it, let me know. Okay. That's the first one. And the second one is this is for bath. So 2 way, and this is for only external use. So over here, that's 5 teaspoons with 100 ml of warm water. Okay, reserve of warm water. Okay, mix it with warm water and use a cloth or cotton ball, and to soak the water, and then just put it on the eczema area for the baby. You know, so basically, again, this will probably make the clothes all yellow. That's one thing. And but after this, you put it on, put the cream on. Okay. Then another way is to use. You need to use 10 yellow teaspoons. Put in the bath, and then bath the baby for up to 15 minutes, and then dry it. Cream on. Okay. So this got herb that can stop the itchiness. Okay, and as well as the cream.
Yeah.